Namaste all. I'm KB Pratibha. In today's class, we will discuss about Ncert Maths Class A Chapter 9 Algebraic Expressions and Identities Exercise 9.1 Question number 2. So, before going to this sum, I would like to revise what is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial is the expressions which are having only one term. And the way to remember this is monomial in that one mono. Mono means one. Okay? And then the expressions containing two terms in it is binomial. That is, binom means two. And the expressions containing three terms in it is trinomial. That is, trinom means three. We might have heard of an Indian flag called as striped color flag. It is because our Indian flag has three colors in it. So trinom is three. So now let's go into the size. So x plus y. In this one, x and y, they are the terms which are separated by the plus sign. So two terms are there. So it falls under the category of binomial. X plus y. Second one is 1000. Only one term is there, so you can easily recognize it. It is monomial. 1000. And then x plus x square plus x power 3 plus x power 4. So this one we can't solve it, so we'll just leave it. Leave a mark in it. So 7 plus y plus y square. This one does not fall under these three categories because here they are only given and mentioned as to classify them as monomial, binomial and trinomial. So this expression, since it does not fall in these categories, it is actually a polynomial, and polynomials that do not fit in these three categories is this is one among them. It is x plus x square plus x power 3 plus x power 4. Okay. So the next one is 7 plus y plus 5x. So 7 is one term, y is one term, 5x is another term. So these three terms are separated by plus sign. So there are three terms in it, so it is a trinomial. So 7 plus 5 plus 5x. The next one is 2y minus 3y square. So 2y minus 3y square. So here you can't solve them because here it is y power 1. But here it is y power 2. The powers they are different. So it means that variables are different. So 2y minus 3y square. So 2y is one term, minus 3y square is another term. These two are separated by minus sign. So two terms are there, so it is a binomial. So let it as 2y minus 3y square. The second one is 2y minus 3y square plus 4y3. So in the first one the variable is y power 1. Second one the variable is y power 2. The third one the variable is y power 3. So in these all three cases the variables are different, which means that they are unlike terms and we can't solve them. So since there are three terms in it, we will classify it as trinomial. So 2y plus 3y square, minus 3y square, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Okay. Next one is 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. So here the first one the variable is x, the second one the variable is y, third one the variable is xy. So in all these three terms, the variables are different. So they are unlike terms and we can't solve them. So the first term is 5x, second term is minus 4y, third term is 3xy. So since there are three terms, it is a trinomial. So we will write it as 5x minus 4y minus 4y plus 3xy. The next one is 4z minus 15z square. In the first one, the variable is z, which means that z power 1. The second one, the power is z square. That is, the variable is z square. The power is 2. But here the power is 1. which means that they are unlike terms and we can't solve them. So 4z is one term, minus 15z square is another term, and these two terms are separated by a minus sign. So since there are two terms in this expression, it is a binomial. So it is 4z minus 15z square. Okay. You should also check like whether is there any possibility to check this out. Okay. And then is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is the sum. So in this sum, it has four terms in it. That is AB, the second one is BC, the third one is CD, and the fourth one is DA. So since there are four terms and we can't classify them in these three groups, so it falls under the category that is the polynomials that do not fit in these three categories. Okay, so it is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. And then is PQR. It's very easily given that it is only one term, so it is a monomial. PQR. Okay, PQR. And the second, and then is P square Q plus PQ square. So here we can't solve them because here the variable is P square, but here it is P power 1. Here Q power 1, but here it is Q square, which means that they are unlike terms and we can't solve them. So P square Q is the first term, the PQ square is the second term. So since there are two terms in it, it is a binomial. So P square Q plus PQ square. Then is 2P plus 2Q. Here this P, the variable is P, but here the variable is Q. So the variables are different, which means that they are unlike terms and we can't solve them. So since there are two terms in it, that is 2P and 2Q, it is a binomial. Okay? 2P and 2Q. So we have found the answer. The monomials are 1000 and PQR. The binomials are x plus y, 2y minus 3y square, 4z minus 15z square, p square q plus pq square, and 2p plus 2q. And the trinomials are 7 plus 5 plus 5x and 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. And the polynomials that do not fit in these three categories are x plus x square plus x power 3 plus x power 4, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Actually, I would like to mention one thing. The polynomials are expressions that contain one or more than one terms. So actually, these all things, they have more than one term, so they fall under the polynomials. Okay, but they are not mentioned in this question. We need to write the polynomials. It is actually the polynomials that do not fit in these three categories. So actually, the polynomials they even contain monomial, binomial, and trinomial. But in the question they are given that the polynomials that do not fit in these three categories. So the left over the four terms which expression it is having, all of them they are unlike terms, so we can't solve them. So we have written those. So we have found the answer for question number 2. So now let's see question number 3 in the upcoming video. Till then, namaste and thank you.